Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over our Bo Kata, Shushi-no-Kon-Sho. In this tutorial, we'll be working on combining the three merits of a good pattern. Good technique, proper technique, that everything I'm doing as correctly as I possibly can. Power, that everything I'm doing with sufficient power to make it effective. Whether it's the fast acceleration of a strike or a block, or the slower pressing movement of osae-uke, the leg pin. And focus. I look at what I'm doing, I look where I'm going. So let's do this together. Shushi-no-Kon-Sho, my count, proper technique, power, and focus. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that is Shushi-no-Kon-Sho, applying the three merits of a good pattern: proper technique, power, and focus.